So in this video, we're going to show you how to import a PDF file into the Hilti PROFIS Layout Office software. So first thing we need to do is to actually create a new project. And I'm going to call this one Demo PDF. Click on Create Job and job name, I'm just going to call it Demo. Hit Create. And then what you need to do is this little button there, that's the import button. If I click on that, it gives me some options, and what I'm after is the import PDF, and then I'm going to select this particular file here, and now what it'll ask me, because it doesn't know what the dimensions are, it will actually ask me to basically transform this file. And what I need to do is I select the first option there, line with distance. If I hit next, now it'll give me an option here as far as distance is concerned. Now if I actually have a look at the drawing, if I zoom into the drawing, you'll see that I've actually got a dimensions or distances from grid line 1 to grid line 8, and the whole distance there is, if I zoom in a bit more, it's 35.263 meters. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell it that the distance from grid line 1 to grid line A is 35.263 meters. So I'm going to enter that there, 35.263 meters. And then now what I need to do is actually need to give it a from starting point and a to or an end starting point. So if I go into point creation, what I need to do here is to select the intersection. So that all that does is means that when I move my mouse, it's going to snap to that particular intersection of two lines. So if I zoom in, you'll see what I mean there. So if I put my mouse there on my cursor, you see a little yellow X, and I click there and I've created my first point, LP1 or layout point 1. And then if I zoom in to grid point 8 there, click on there, I've created that second point. And then all you do then is you hit the button, Accept PDF. And essentially now what it's done is actually it's scaled that drawing. And just to double check, if I go into this option at the top here called COGO, which is Coordinate Geometry, that first box there is length between 2 points. So if I click on that, and then what I'll do, I'll zoom into that first point, LP1, and then go to that second point there. If I look to the right of the screen there, it tells me that the horizontal distance is 35.263 meters. So that's all good. Now I'm going to hit escape, and now I can go about starting to clean the drawing as I would normally. Okay, so what I'm going to do first off is get rid of the title block or the border around it, and I'm just going to left click with my mouse and drag and see what it highlights or selects. So I've got a single line there, so I can just hit delete. Yes, and with my mouse I can just click on that line there, left click with the mouse, and it's selected that border, and again I can just hit delete. Outside border, hit delete. Great. And zoom to extents. This will basically then fill up the whole screen with the drawing there. And so now I can just continue to clean it as I normally would. I've got a few options of cleaning it. If I wanted to, I can actually just sort of left click with the mouse, drag, and select some elements there and just hit the delete button. And I can continue doing that, but that's a bit slow. The best option is to actually go into your layers and hide individual layers. So if I click on the little icon there for layers, I'll just move that across here. And now what I can do here is I can actually switch off these layers just to make sure that the drawings are a lot cleaner. So I'm going to start off with that, and I'm just going to click and unclick just to see what difference it makes to the drawing. Columns I'll leave. Details, yes, looks like I can get rid of that, because all I'm interested in really are the walls as such in this particular case. And I can just sort of switch between clicking them on and off to see if they're relevant or important to me. I'll keep that on. Okay, and I just continue this process. Okay, I'll keep that. I'll keep anything to do with the walls. Okay, I can get rid of that. Okay, now this is a good layer. This has got essentially all the text on it. So again, if I'm not really interested in the text, I can turn that off. Furniture, property boundary, not really interested in that, and that's pretty clean. So I can close that. And what I'll do now is I'll actually do a little bit of cleaning here as well. If I click on explode blocks, okay, not affected. And if I go to remove hatch elements, okay, that's good. Let's clean that up a little bit more. So there's essentially my drawing there. I'm going to hit save. And then the last thing I'm going to do now is actually export the project, ready to import that into my Hilti PLC 400 tablet. And that's it, job's done.